Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is December the 11th, 2021. Forward stock, you guys can see that the price exploded on the last day of trading last week. Look at that. Market ended up almost 10% in forward. Not surprised, right? I did a video in forward on November the 16th. Yeah, I was expecting the price to go up in forward, and look at it. Look what happened just yesterday in the market in forward. So now I wanted to come in and speak to all of our subscribers and see what price is going to go now. Let's do an updated price target in the market in forward stock. Before I do, welcome to the channel. This is what I do. I do price predictions without the confusion. I make sure that you and I, those who are on this particular channel, who wants to make money, I make sure that we predict the market so that we can be in position and win. You guys find that very interesting? If you want to learn how to do this for yourself, you got to keep it locked in on this channel, because I don't push a lot of that other noise. I don't push a lot of that other information that so many people want you all to know to make you think that they are some type of expert or some type of analyst. The only thing we need is the chart. That's it. So keep it locked in here. Let me take the moment to say thank you to all of our day ones, our subscribers who have been riding with us since the very beginning. Hopefully you all have been learning so much from our videos, because this is not hard. So let's talk about this real quick. November the 16th, right? I was telling you all then, hey, be prepared for forward stock to go up. And that is precisely what the market has done. And literally what happened on Friday kind of lets us know that we had our price target at $21.75. Based on what happened on Friday, we might exceed that. So I wanted to come in today so that we can try to see where price is headed. All right, so let me get rid of this. If we were to get out the market on yesterday's close, it's about 8%. Cool. No big deal. We'll take that. Now, check this out. It's not hard to see. Forward is massively in a very strong uptrend. We are. This price in forward seemingly doesn't want to go down. It doesn't. This is what the price is telling us. We believe the price. I don't care. We don't believe nobody else. We don't believe analysts' stock recommendations. We don't believe any YouTubers' opinions. We don't believe any articles that's being strewn out there on the internet. We don't believe any tweets that people try to get you all to believe and read. We look at the price. We believe price and price only. Look at it. Look at how strong forward stock is. I mean, since April 2020, this market has seemingly been in a very massive upward climb. Now, at some point, yeah, it's going to stop, right? At some point, this monumental bullish environment in forward is going to stop, but it doesn't look like it's ready yet based on what happened on Friday. So let's look at this on a 3-week basis, right? Now, I was telling you all then, hey, the price in forward is going to go up as long as price is able to maintain $18, and that is still the case. Now let's zoom in on this real quick. Okay, let me zoom in. Now, this is a 3-weekly basis, and look at how strong this market is in forward. This is massively strong. And as long as the market price in forward holds this is the trend. This is it. We're going to go up in price. So we're already creating two bases, two foundational buy zones to where the market needs to hold. Okay, let me show it to you. Right here, it's $18 first. We can be confident that price in forward will always go up as long as it holds $18. And then secondly, as long as price doesn't break this overall ascending line. Now, eventually it's going to break. And when it does, that's when we know we need to cut the play. That's when we know we need to let go of the market of expecting it to go up. Every trend don't last into perpetuity. We understand that. But right before it does, we want to make sure that we grab the bag and move out the way. Okay. So far, the market in the forward still looks pretty strong. This is it on a weekly basis. Look at this. The last 4 weeks outside of this current last completed weekly price bar, 1, 2, 3, 4, the market was selling. Yeah, they were. Look at all this volume that was coming into the market in forward, right? And instead of the price going down, instead of the price collapsing in forward, we saw the price close at the high. See, the market tells us everything we need to know. The buyers were controlling the market. Whoever sold the market in forward had no impact on pushing the price down, none. So with that being created, look at this. We need to compare where would be the next area that they're going to try to push back down price in forward. And we're not even that far, right? You guys can see we haven't been trading at $22 in forward since like 1997. Look at this, right? Look at that. That is where I'm looking for the buyers to appear. Now, we're not even that far. The last trade on Friday was at $21.45. $22 is the next area that I will be looking for the market to try to push back down in forward. So yeah, if you haven't seen our last couple of videos in forward, maybe it's not the time to come in and participate, especially if we see selling occur at 22. The next level, as we can see, is up here. Okay, which is around what? $23.50. Okay, that's the next level. So we got 22, and then the next level is going to be $23.50. See, I'm not going to be massively bullish. I'm not going to tell you that Ford is going to hit $100. No, I try to pinpoint where the sellers and the buyers are at. So the first area is 22 for the sellers. Second area is going to be around 23.50 to where the sellers are at in the market in Ford. Okay, so look, that is where I'm looking for the market to go initially. Now, looking at this, okay, we got 20 days and 3 hours left on this current 2-month price bar, right? If we look the way that it looks now at the conclusion, yeah, then $22 and $23.50 is not going to be a problem in the market in Ford. Matter of fact, I'll be looking for it to come up here towards 25 to 26. That would be the next level, but we got 20 days. So let me fall back. Let me pull this back down a little bit and come into fruition a little bit closer to where I'm looking at. Okay. So even here though, 23.50 will probably be the first spot that I'm looking for the market in Ford to try to come towards. So let's see what we got. Okay, 23.50. So that gives us like another 9% movement to the upside in Ford, right? And support into the market now in Ford is going to come here. And we can tell, look, back here in January 2011, that area was acting as restriction. Well, we held it as support recently. Okay, so now that is the newest area that we understand that we're going to look for the price in Ford to go up as long as it doesn't fall below $19. Ultimately, I got it. Yeah, $18 is the biggest support area for us. Okay, but closer for us to allow this price to go up, it's going to be around 19. Now, let me clean this up because I don't want to cause no confusion within our community. Now, I'm going to get rid of this $18 area because I want us to pay attention to the trend now. I want us to keep track of the trend into the market in Ford. Okay, so we got $19 as support. We also got this ascending line as support in Ford, and our first area TP is going to be around $23.50. Right, that's the first spot. Okay, that gives us around 9% profitability into the market. Second area is going to be around 24. Okay. Third area is going to be 26. Now, the $26 price target is not expected to occur in like 3 days. No, I'm looking for that to possibly come to fruition over the next couple of months, like 3 months, maybe 6 months time frame. We could possibly see market in Ford hit 26. But right now, let me just bring it back down to 24. So we got $23.50 and $24 first. All right, that's it right there. I'm done. Now we can sit back, let the market work, and then we'll come through again and see what price has done against this price prediction. Now let me bring this back over to the daily because we like to see market movement on a daily basis. So let me bring this over closer to a couple of days in Ford here. Let's just follow it there. Okay, there it is. Now we are due. I mean, I'm gonna tell you right, we're due for a move to the downside, right? We need to be prepared for that because the market has been in a colossal upward move recently, and it would be foolish for us to not think that price is ready to come down, right? So yeah, I might be a little bit ahead of the game because it looked like we're about due for some weakness and some movement to the downside. But basically, I still think from the chart perspective, from what the buyers are trying to do in the market, that Ford still have a couple more upward moves to play out. $23.50 and then $24 is where we're looking at. Now, hey, don't let me sway you. Don't let me persuade you. Don't let me, drop my opinion. You look at the chart for what you see it as, right? What do you expect? And this is why I have this channel as well. I want you all to drop your price prediction into marketing forward for the next couple of weeks. Let's do 4 to 5 weeks. What will price be? Don't let me sway you. Just take a look at the price, look at the chart for what it is. What do you see? And based off what you see, where is price headed? Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.